what I have here today is the chassis, my latest chassis project that I'm working on. This was a chassis I built earlier, but I've modified it a bit. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make a representation of the Illinois Terminal Class D articulated electric locomotive, and it's sort of along the lines of a GG1 or maybe a Swiss crocodile type locomotive. But in any case, what it has 4 trucks mounted on an articulated frame, and I used the bigger motor that I had bought for an earlier project, but I decided not to use it. So what I've got at this point is I've got the articulation working, I've got the trucks mounted, and I made new side frames for this. That if you look at this one, there's no representation of a leaf spring on this, and on the new side frames I added the feature to simulate the leaf spring, so I was pretty happy with the way that came up. Now up top here I have each front section of trucks pivots there, and it's the same thing back here. It pivots there, so this works good, and it's kind of a boxy body. If you want to see what the thing looks like, look up Illinois Terminal Class D electric loco, and there's some pictures of it there. So I'm going to work off that. I have a drawing I found on the internet that I'm scaling off of it, so hopefully it'll be actually fairly close to scale. The chassis, as I have it here, is pretty close to the scale length, and the distance between the trucks is about right also. And I'm going to add an E unit to this so it has forward and reverse capabilities and whatnot. But at this point, I'm glad that it's running as good as I did. And I'll send it around the track a couple times, and you can see how it runs.